Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat media upload issue within the app. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I recommend you hit that subscribe button down below, tap the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Alright guys, so this media upload issue on Snapchat is becoming an increasing popular concern on the platform. This is probably because Snapchat is looking to limit the way fraudsters get into users' account, and fraudster gets victim through the platform. So if you are using Snapchat and you encounter, it might not be because you have violated Snapchat or you are limited from uploading media on Snapchat. It's something that happens to many people nowadays. So fortunately, you found the right video to troubleshoot this issue. And in this video I'm going to show you a couple of troubleshooting tips that you can take to resolve this issue within Snapchat. Alright, so the first method you want to use to troubleshoot this issue is to check your internet connection. Over 40% of cases have been resolved just by checking the internet connection. It is just normal that you are found in an area where connection is not that stable all the time, so you just need to make sure that you are on a very good and stable connection to upload media on Snapchat. So to do that, you want to go to the system settings and go to network and internet, and make sure you have selected the correct network or the fastest network in your area. And also, to increase your chances, you want to switch onto a Wi-Fi network to make sure that the internet connection is actually fast and stable. Wi-Fi connections are known to be stable than mobile data, so switching to a Wi-Fi connection is a very convenient solution. Alright, if checking the internet connection, if your internet connection sounds great, then the next troubleshooting tip you want to take is to clear the app's cache. So to do that, you want to go to the system settings, click on app and notification, and select Snapchat from the list. Once here, go to storage, and then you see cache. So this cache is actually the temporary login session that you've had with Snapchat. So upon your recent usage within the app, it keeps that log within the cache, and in most cases cache gets corrupted, so it is just normal that in most cases can cause this issue. So what you want to do here is just click on this clear cache button. Just click on that to clear the cache, and it should resolve the issue if the cache was the major problem that caused this issue. Alright, so if you clear the cache and it doesn't still seem to work with uploading media on Snapchat, what you want to do is to update to make sure you are on the latest version of Snapchat. So mobile applications are required to release updates in order to comply with the latest version of Android, because Android is moving forward, they also need to move forward, and with popular platforms like Snapchat, they release updates almost all the time. Their updates are on a frequent basis. So what you want to do is you go to your Play Store, open Play Store and search for Snapchat like that, and then you click on it to make sure you are on the latest version. So if you aren't on the latest version, you will see this update button right here. So what you want to do is to click on update and wait that the app should update. So I'll just give you some time to update. Okay, the app is done updating. So what you want to do now is to click on open. Just click on this open to open Snapchat, and you should be shown the app here. If everything works right, you'll be able to upload your media to Snapchat without any issue. So if you were already on the latest version of Snapchat and you weren't able to fix this issue, then you want to check your file size. So file sizes are also known to cause these media upload issues, because apps like Snapchat have a limit of file sizes you can make per upload. So your file size is required to meet these standards in order to be uploaded on the platform, and in most cases, if your file size is larger than the authorized media size, you will face this media upload error. So what you want to do is you make sure that your file size is very accurate and is small relative to the media you're uploading on Snapchat. There are many file resizers on the internet, and also you can get them from the Play Store. These third-party file resizers are very efficient in resizing your files. So what you want to do is you download any of them through the Google Play Store. So once you're on the Google Play Store, you want to search for file resizer, and you see a couple of options for resizing files. So you want to download any of these file resizers, as they are authorized by Google Play Protect and they are covered by this policy. So once you resize your files, you just get back to Snapchat and then you upload your media in Snapchat. This should work if the file size was the issue. Okay, if the file size wasn't the issue, you want to try this tricky and little troubleshooting method. So what you have to do here is just to remix your snap. So what you want to do, you just go to your snap and make sure you are on the remix tab. To access the remix, just come onto the three dot icon there and then you click on remix snap. So this remix snap is actually a feature on Snapchat that is close to that of TikTok, known as the duet feature. So this feature lets you remix snaps from friends and contacts that you have on Snapchat. You can also do this with your own snap, and remixing in most cases is going to resolve this issue, because when you remix your snaps, it actually signals Snapchat that, oh, this guy has really interesting snaps, until he's able to remix them. So what you want to do is just to try this feature. It has worked for many people. I've gone through a couple of guys on the internet that have also reviewed and shared this option, that remixing snap is also working. So you can just remix your snap and see if it works in your case. Okay, so if you tried all the aforementioned method, all the troubleshooting tips mentioned, and it didn't work out for you, then as a last resort, you want to reinstall Snapchat. So reinstalling Snapchat is going to fix any corrupted file issue or compatibility issues you face with the app. If you downloaded Snapchat from another source, then reinstalling the app from the official Google Play Store is going to fix this issue. So what you want to do is to go to the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat again. Let's just do that like that, and then you click on the app. Just click on this uninstall, and when you uninstall the app, you just click on the install next to it once more. After installing the app, this issue should be resolved if it's that you got this version from an unofficial source. So getting it from the Google Play Store is making in such a way that the app is also compatible with your device via Android OS, and it is very crucial to get the app from the official Play Store. Okay guys, those were the troubleshooting tips that will help you resolve this issue with Snapchat. If you didn't find a proper solution for your issue, then don't worry, I will release a next video of showing how to fix this issue with different ways. So what you want to do is you subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell to not miss that video, guys. So I catch you on the next one.